I know y'all not watching this live, but I need y'all to hype me up because I don't want to cook. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's vegan meal prep. Let's get started. Okay y'all, first things first, my hair is not finished, so if you see a flash of it in the screen, I just said it, it's not, ain't no braids back here, all right? So what you see is all ain't no hair in the back, all right? That's the first church announcement. The second one is, it is 8:01 p.m. y'all. Past the time that I like to cook, but this is the mentality I'm trying to get out of. I need to meal prep because I need to get 50 pounds off of this body, okay? All right guys, let's get started. It is 8:12 p.m. at the time I record this video. And first we're gonna add some sesame oil into your wok. And then I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of garlic, but I really wasn't measuring. You know, I let the ancestors do their talking in my head. So we're gonna mix that on in. Then I'm gonna take some fresh processed up ginger. That is about 2 tablespoons added to the wok as well. Now I got this bag of rice cauliflower from Kroger. I'm gonna take about half the bag. This is gonna be the base of our stir fry. I was pretty much going for a low carb meal prep this week, so you're not gonna see any real rice or bread or anything like that. I just added in some coconut aminos. Feel free to use soy sauce if you have it. And just gonna keep stirring until everything is pretty much well incorporated. Now I'm going to get this frozen bag of stir fry. I got this from Walmart. And we're going to dump this whole thing into the wok to create our meal pretty much. Now the vegetables were really frozen, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and cover the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes while that defrosts, and then we'll come back and stir it all up. All right, moving on to the Brussels sprouts, y'all. I went to the farmer's market and just grabbed Brussels sprouts. I don't know how many this is, the quantity, but I do know this is about maybe 4 cups split in half. So we're gonna add these to our air fryer, and all I'm gonna do is add extra virgin olive oil and some Slap Your Mama seasoning. Turn this air fryer on air fry mode and let it do its thing. All right, the Brussels sprouts are done, giving them a little taste. Now, I thought they weren't salted enough, but that's because they were hot. I burnt my mouth a little bit. And I'm like, oh, it needs more salt. No, it does not. Slap Your Mama was salty enough, so they were good for me. Our next meal is going to be a simple iceberg lettuce salad. Now, I do know iceberg lettuce has 0 nutrition, but hey, it's cheap. It's still a vegetable. We gonna let it ride, okay? So to this, I'm going to add lettuce, tomato, jalapenos, and these soy bacon bits. Again, not the most nutritious thing, but I love these little fake imitation bacon bits. I get the large one from Restaurant Depot, but they do sell these at Kroger, Walmart. Just make sure it says imitation and not real bacon bits. And this will be my like BLT salad, jalapeno with ranch. I don't know. It's my salad, okay? I do recommend that you guys eat this in the first 2 days because iceberg lettuce especially oxidizes quickly and you don't want it to turn brown when you open it, and you're not going to want to eat it. Going back to our stir fry, y'all, we're going to stir this all up, add a little salt to it, or you can add some more coconut aminos or soy sauce. And that is it for me. I didn't have a big punch of flavor, but it was good. Without washing out my wok, I'm going to add these Gardein meatless chicken strips. It's going to be my protein punch and help me be more full with this meal since it's so low carb. I'm going to take pretty much the same seasonings here: sesame oil, coconut aminos, and of course my Crazy Jane's mixed up salt. Add that all to the chicken. Again, this also came straight out the freezer, so I'm going to also let it defrost in the pan. It's been about 5 to 10 minutes later. Now I'm going to cut up some fresh purple onion with my chicken. Stir that on in. Let the flavors kind of incorporate. Now let's add some garlic powder, onion powder. Mix that on in. At this point, we are getting the flavor overload with this chicken. Here I am pressing the chicken into little pieces with my wooden spoon. Who's proud? Not metal, wooden spoon. Add a little bit more sesame oil for more flavor punch. And I'm gonna add in some Weber's Kickin' Chicken seasoning. Mix, 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 mix. Ow, mix, mix, hey, mix. Give me a little taste. and mix it. I'm done. All right, so here we are, guys. 2 more meals. That's not in focus. Ugh. Have our cauliflower rice stir fry and our chicken. Now the chicken is still a little soft, but understand, guys, we're meal prepping, so I don't want to cook it hard because this is probably going in the microwave. Or if you're not a microwave person, you're gonna put it in the oven. So you're gonna cook it again. So you want to kind of undercook everything because it's made to be reheated. Same thing with the rice. It's not firm at all. It's going to be reheated. Now what I'm probably gonna do tomorrow is add sriracha or some extra coconut aminos or anything, just like you would at a regular restaurant. So don't think this is it, but I don't want to put it on now because again, I'm going to reheat it. This is just red pepper flakes. All right, guys, I just rinsed off our wok because now I'm just gonna throw some veggies in there. I have chopped kale here and chopped spinach. I'm gonna do the chopped kale first. Throw some olive oil in the pan. Also gonna throw some olive oil in this back pan too because we're gonna put it on our bacon. Now this is a soy bacon, but y'all, it is the best. You may recognize that this is the brand that, I'm not gonna say the restaurant, but very popular vegan restaurant here in Atlanta, Georgia. They use the same package, but they rebranded it. Y'all see the fake bacon fat on there? That's crazy. Y'all already know the same trilogy. Garlic, we're gonna throw in some onion, garlic powder, onion powder. Y'all know what I do. Y'all, I'm gonna fast forward this. Y'all know what I do. Okay, guys, I am back. This bacon has got as crispy as it's gonna get. It is not real, okay? But you see the little burnt corners? So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. I'm gonna taste a little bit of this kale, see if I like how it's seasoned so far. No, it needs a little something. I think some more salt, honestly. I'm gonna add some more of the Crazy Janes. Okay. This is just for me, so I can have it as salty as I want, because it's mine. Okay, let's see. All right, I'm good with that. All right, guys, once again, I've rinsed out both pans. Now, I know this is a lot of butter, but I'm about to add in that just egg, and y'all know it be sticking, and I just don't have time for it. I don't want to do it. In our back pan, I'm gonna add, yes, extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna add some onions and some baby Bella mushrooms to our back pan here. What I'm basically gonna do back here, trying to film, oh my Lord. What I'm doing back here is gonna create a chicken marsala. I'm not gonna look at the recipe version, but I do have the full version on my channel. I'm just gonna make this up, okay? Now, I guess you guys are wondering why I'm not using this eye. It would make more sense. It's broke. That's why I'm using these 2 back ones, and then this one will just be too far away, okay? We're gonna pour in this whole container of just egg, which we all know is only 2 servings of eggs. Gonna sprinkle in some black salt, which my salt is not black, but hey, we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of butter to our mushrooms and onions. And I'm kind of just letting this egg sit here and do its sizzle till I see some bubbles forming. Oh, let me not use a metal spoon. Y'all gonna get me in the comments. Oh, this smells so good. Gonna add some salt and pepper. A little bit to our eggs, so we have it on black salt already in there. All right, I'm gonna cover these mushrooms for about 5 minutes, and I'll be back when this gets done scrambling. Basically, y'all, I'm just gonna keep it moving, let it cook, keep it moving. All right, coming back to our air fryer, guys. I'm gonna put it on saute mode. Now, this was actually pretty good. Now, if you ever had real ground chicken, it does not have a strong flavor. Neither does this. It literally, to me, tastes like ground chicken. Nobody reaches for ground chicken, okay? So you're going to have to flavor it, but I gave it to meat eaters on some baked spaghetti, and they did not know the difference, okay? It's not that low of carb though, guys. For one patty, it is 15 carbs, which is why I'm gonna pair it with a low carb meal, and it does contain wheat, but it is soy free. I should have cooked this on low. It's still sticking, y'all. I'm gonna simply add a little extra virgin olive oil, some poultry seasoning. That was too much. And my Crazy James. Because it's gonna go in some sauce, so I don't wanna over season this too much, but I also don't want it to be bland, okay? All right, coming back over, I'm gonna go ahead and take these eggs out. Again, they're not done, but we're going to be reheating, and I wanna go ahead and start getting this pan clean. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna move this to the front. Oh yeah. Yeah. Again, not measuring. I have a full video on this on my channel. Gonna add in some Marcella wine. Boom. I'll say a half a cup of coconut milk. I'm gonna turn this back up to medium. I had it on low. Okay guys, now I'm adding some cornstarch. I believe I just used like a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 3 tablespoons of water before adding in my chicken. Remember earlier I told you guys to butterfly the chicken. It was just too thick. I would have wanted more of the gravy flavor and not so much of the chicken to come through, but it was still really good. Now I had another bag of cauliflower rice, guys. So I'm adding that to a pan, season it up again. Garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. Just a basic flavor because now you're gonna put the flavor loaded sauce. Again, I didn't take you guys step by step on this recipe because I have it already on my channel. Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I am tired. I look tired. Listen, okay, it is now 10:03 p.m. So I believe that was what, about 2 hours. So for you, without having to move the camera, stop, moving the lights, all the good stuff, trying to talk with one hand, it should take you about 1.5 hours. All right, guys, let me show you all my meals, all right? So we have 3 of the Marsala chicken with the cauliflower rice. We have our Brussels sprouts, boom, okay. We have our salad, which I've got to show you guys that I am gonna add half avocado to both of these. So our BLT jalapeno avocado salad. We have 2 of our breakfast for lunch. Also added an avocado to this as well, and a tomato, kale, and bacon, 2 of those. And then we have our stir fry and chicken meal. Okay guys, so that is 9 meals that we made in 1.5 hours. I don't think that's bad at all. Well, 2 hours for me, 1.5 hours for you. Also, these can be vice versa. You can put the chicken that's used for the stir fry, which are marsala. You can put the chicken on top of the salad. All these type of things, okay guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and sign out because I'm tired. I need to get ready for bed. Might drink a little wine or something, I don't know. But all right, y'all, I'll see y'all next time. Make this. Hopefully I gave you some great low carb ideas or just meal prep ideas in general, okay? Let me know down below if you guys like this video and want to see more of my meal prep because I'm determined to get in shape, y'all. I'm already active. We gotta get this food together so I can lose this 50 pounds, all right? That hurt. Okay, bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.